Owning contemporary artwork is both an investment and a responsibility. While no insurance policy can replace the emotional or cultural weight of a lost piece, the financial loss can and should be mitigated. That's where art insurance comes in. From theft and damage to natural disasters, restoration costs, and legal disputes, comprehensive art insurance is essential to protecting your collection. But not all policies are created equal. Here are 5 key types of insurance every serious collector should know. First, comprehensive coverage insurance. This offers reimbursement for the full value of an artwork if it's lost or damaged. But be mindful, some policies exclude specific risks like fire or floods and may require strict storage conditions to remain valid. Agreed value policy insurance. You and your insurer agree on the artwork's value upfront. That means faster payouts and less room for dispute. It's ideal for high-value collections, though it won't account for any market appreciation that occurs after the policy is signed. Replacement artwork insurance. This policy focuses on sourcing a comparable piece if the original is lost. It's useful for emerging works, but replacing rare or iconic art, that's far more complicated. Current market value insurance. This covers your artwork based on its latest market value, often capped at 150% of the insured amount. While it offers some flexibility, fast rising valuations can easily outpace the cap, leaving you undercompensated. Title insurance. This protects your ownership rights in case of disputes. It's especially valuable for historically significant works or those with complex provenance. But remember, it won't protect you against authenticity claims. The bottom line? Protecting your artwork goes beyond hanging it on a secure wall. It means choosing the right insurance backed by advisors who understand both the value and vulnerability of fine art. Want to delve deeper into safeguarding your collection? Get expert guidance on art preservation, protection, and long-term strategy. Visit seedgallerynewyork.com.